Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making chili chicken. First, you need 2 pounds of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt. Add ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 egg white, no yolk. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it well and leave it for 10 minutes. Medium fry for chicken and constant stirring until the chicken is fully cooked and fried. After the chicken is fried, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds and chopped 3 green chilies. Add 4 garlic chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. Fry it half cooked. Add 1 onion chopped, 1 green pepper chopped, and 1 red pepper chopped. Fry in high heat for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce or sriracha. Add 2 teaspoons of red food coloring. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix ½ glass of water. Then add it to the bowl. Mix the sauce properly and cook it for 5 minutes. Add half bunch of coriander. Mix the coriander thoroughly and cook it for 5 minutes again. Now add the chicken. Mix the chicken properly. Thank you so much for watching this video.